Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to get skin crates in Ravel Roblox. In Ravel on Roblox, skin crates are a popular way to unlock cosmetic weapon skins. You can get them in several ways. First, go to the shop section in the game. There you'll find options like skin case 1 or skin case 2. A single crate costs 249 Robux and a bundle of the 3 crates costs 724 Robux, which gives a slight discount. These crates contain different skin types from a common to legendary for various weapons. You can also get skin crates by taking part in seasonal events. During special times like Halloween or Christmas, limited time crates are available with themed skins. These are usually only available for a short period, so it's good to check in during events. Another method is to play ranked matches. As you participate and earn points in a season, you can unlock exclusive skins. For example, reaching 1000 points might reward you with a special skin like the Phoenix Rival. Sometimes the game offers free skin crates through promotions or events. To catch this, keep an eye on official updates or community news. This way, you might get skins without using Robux. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.